In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your personal email in HubSpot, a crucial step to streamline your communication and keep everything organized within this powerful platform. Let's dive right in and get your email connected in just a few simple steps. To start, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the User Guide area. You can do this easily by clicking on the User Guide link that takes you to all the resources available for maximizing HubSpot's capabilities. It's essential to be familiar with this guide as it serves as a helpful resource for other tasks you might want to complete in HubSpot. With the User Guide open, your next move is to head over to the Settings area. The settings are the control center for your HubSpot account, where you can customize and configure how everything works. So, find the Settings button, which is often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to an array of options, all designed to give you the flexibility and control you need over your HubSpot environment. Once in the settings, locate and click on the Email tab. This is where you manage all things related to email within HubSpot. It's a dedicated space for configuring your inbox connections, setting your email signature, and managing your email tracking. You should see options that pertain to email setup, so make sure you're in the right section before proceeding. Now you're ready to connect your personal email. Look for the option labeled Connect Personal Email. This action is precisely what lets you integrate your email directly with HubSpot, allowing for seamless sending and receiving of emails. This integration ensures that all your communications are stored in one place, making it easier to track customer interactions and maintain records of correspondences. After selecting Connect Personal Email, move on by clicking on Connect Your Inbox. This step is about allowing HubSpot to sync with your inbox, providing full access to send, receive, and track emails straight from the platform. It's not only a time saver, but also an efficiency booster, ensuring that you never miss important emails or forget about following up on leads. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have your personal email connected to HubSpot in no time. This setup will enhance your workflow, allowing you to manage communications much more effectively. Remember, having everything integrated makes tracking your interactions simpler and boosts your productivity by giving you more time to focus on your core tasks. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to consult the HubSpot support or revisit the user guide. It's packed with tips and tricks to get the most out of your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.